Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a presentation view in Inventor. You're going to need to make your assembly file first. So if you have not done that, then please check out the other tutorial that shows you how to make the assembly. But once you have that done, what you can do is go to a new presentation file. And we'll get to this part in a second, but you're going to see that a lot of this looks a little bit similar to what you may be working with previously in Inventor. But the first thing we want to do is we want to insert our model. So I'm going to scroll down in my folder and I'm going to look for my assembly and I'm going to open that up. Now, what I want to show in my presentation view is how all of my different parts fit together. So I can also create an animation of how this actually works. The first thing that I want to do is in my assembly, I identified my yellow piece as my base piece. So what I want to do is go up here to Tweak Components. You're going to see a gizmo that pops up that has your X, Y, and Z orientation. You can also reference this down here. So what I want to do is once I go to Tweak Components, I want to highlight an axis and drag out this yellow part. And I can specify however far I want to drag it out. I can also specify a duration of how many seconds I want that piece to come out of that part. Once I'm satisfied, I can say, OK. Now I'll do it again with my next part. I'll go to Tweak Components, click on the face of my blue part, and I'll drag this out again as well. Once I'm satisfied, I'll say check, and I'll do it again. Tweak Components, click on the face of your next part, move it out along the desired axis, say OK. And I'll do it one last time here with my green part. Click on this face, move it out along the desired axis, and say OK. Now what I want to make sure I do here is I want to be able to see all of my parts very clearly. So I can see each view, nothing is overlapping, and this all looks pretty good. If I want, I can play back my animation and it will show me exactly how these parts go together. Now what you can do once you're satisfied with this is you can go ahead and go to File, Save as your presentation file, and you can also render a video. So you want to work with your current storyboard range, and that's going to be from 0 to 10 seconds. So each one of these animations was 2.5 seconds. So that puts us at 10 seconds overall. You can specify the size that you want. Right now, it's just the current document window size as our video resolution. I want to make sure that I'm going to rename this. So whatever your file management system is that you're using, name it as such. And then specify your file location. So where are you saving all of your files for your project? For me, I'm just saving it on my desktop. So I'll say select folder, and that's good enough for me. And then finally, if you want to save it as something other than a WMV, you can do that. I prefer working with AVI files, so I'm going to save it as that. Once I'm done, I can say OK. Say OK again. And it will work on publishing my video progress. It will save to that file location, and you can access that whenever you want to show how all of your pieces go together. Thank you for watching.